Riu oriri ndeto irikitie kwiyumiria ati kwatika ukoro the person who DJ Covenant hinted on being the new replacement wa Inoro TV akibura they have already found a new replacement na ndeto irashoka ukoro ikiubuka ati this could be Joy Janet after the photo that they used in their poster gukoro ikimatch imwe bisha imwe ya Joy Janet na as you can see ino niyo bisha a Kenya marikite gukoro magithuthuria na gukoro makimenya na kumuibuthura makiuga this is Joy Janet and even makionania ni mahatire na gaja. This is actually Joy Janet's photo, only that in Inoro's poster the face is covered but the rest is actually Joy Janet. Na Akenya magituo maikiuga runita moyo who the person is na ona ginya magithi to the further extent ya congratulate in advance na maikiuga they can't wait to have her on Rurumoka na ona ithui congratulations to her in advance agikorwo ni manuo ku replace Helen Muthoni. Na riu to other news ira Joy Janet arikitie kumbura na gutiga Akenya makimukungwira ona makiria. Joy Janet has launched her own company, a designer company iria akora gitangatha na mururumo munene muno onake aihuro ni gikeno kia mwanya. Na as you know, Joy Janet is a great fashionista, very much into fashion and style. Now she has now turned that into a business. She has launched her own designer and luxury company. Na ageshare ndeto ici through her official social media pages. Kuna mwana wa Facebook akiuga, thank you God for this. Proudly introducing to you Jojan Designs. Be a partner as you walk in this path. The Lord has done it again. I say asante. Now she has unveiled her new company niwe no haha Jojan Designs Luxury and Class. Udo onagwo wako gwiro muno ni Akenya congratulating her in large numbers. Ona ginya aini ne makoro ona makiyumiria na ukugwira uhotani uyu wa Joy Janet and also showing her massive support. Na a big congratulations to Joy Janet on her brand new company. Na ndugakiriganirwo go subscribe for the latest and trending Kikuyu celebrity news. Never miss an update. Subscribe now.